In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off chat on Wix Studio. If you want to remove the chat feature from your Wix Studio site, this is a very straightforward process, and I will walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without confusion. Turning off chat is usually done by deleting the chat app from your site, which means visitors will no longer see that chat option once your changes are published. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Make sure you are inside the correct site dashboard and editor before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one website. Once the editor is fully open, look over to the left-hand panel, where you'll find the main tools and settings for your site. From that left side panel, click on the Add Apps icon. This is where Wix lets you view apps and integrations connected to your site. After opening that section, select Manage Apps so you can see the apps that are currently installed. This is the area where you'll be able to locate the chat feature and remove it properly. In the list of installed apps, find Wix Smart Chat. Once you see it, click the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots next to the app. This will open a small menu with additional options. From that menu, choose Delete App. After you click it, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the removal. Wix may also ask you to choose a reason from a list for why you are deleting the app. Select the option that best matches your situation. Then add any details if required, and click Delete App to confirm. Once the app has been deleted, the chat feature is removed from your site in the editor. However, one important final step remains. To make sure your visitors no longer see the chat on the live version of your website, click Publish. This pushes the update live and ensures the change takes effect on your public site, not just inside the editor preview, and that's it. Thanks for watching.